everyone, welcome to Talpat Rabbit Tree. It's already 2022 and today is January 8th and we're expecting at least 5 rabbits who are going to have their parturition this today until after 3 days. Okay, so 8, 9, 10 until 10. So meron ito, yan. So we're hoping na okay silang lahat. So, ito yung nauna. Nag-nest back, nag-nesting na siya. Okay. Ngayon, the problem. So, if you notice yan, bahala na siyang maglagay doon sa kaniyang nest box. So, yung nag-nesting na siya, makita ninyo doon. Yan. That is yan po yung palatandaan na nagle-labor na siya. Okay. Ngayon, the problem that I'm going to pose sa inyo is, actually, near my rabbit tree is the school's motor pool in where we have an ongoing reconstruction. Yan po. At super ingay. Ayan. Nagkakaroon kasi ng construction dyan. So, nagkakaroon ng ingay ang ginagawa niya. So, one of the solutions that I am offering is that, sinabi ko kanina, sa mga pinsan ko na caretaker at the same time, is that to put music to easen the impact of the noise from the construction of our school's motor pool is to give music. Ayan. Pansin nyo sa mga pumupunta dito, may mga music. May nilagay kami mga music. Ewan ko na. Kayuay? Ayan. Okay. That's it. That's one way to putting music in your rabbit tree, especially during the gestation, during the parturition, yung panganganak, Labor Day of our rabbits, will easen the impact of the stress from the construction. So that's it. Thank you, and may we increase more.